In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In settings, scroll down to access apps. Click on default apps at the top and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Lastly, just click on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!